Ever wondered why that cool online game or service you wanted to try always seems to be locked behind a payment method you don't have? It's frustrating, right? Well, today, we're diving into a payment solution that might just solve your problems, the paysafe card. Problem: imagine you're ready to level up in your favorite online game, but your credit card is declined. Or you want to make a small purchase on a website that doesn't accept your preferred payment method. It's a common dilemma faced by millions of people around the world. Solution: enter the paysafe card. It's a prepaid card that you can purchase at thousands of retail locations worldwide. Once you have it, you can use it to make online payments securely and conveniently. Paysafe card explained. What is it? A paysafe card is essentially a digital voucher that can be used to make online transactions. It's like having a preloaded gift card specifically designed for online payments. How does it work? To use a paysafe card, you simply enter the 16-digit code printed on the card at the checkout. It's that easy. Security: one of the biggest advantages of using a paysafe card is its security. Unlike credit cards, you don't need to share your personal financial information with the merchant. This reduces the risk of fraud and identity theft. Countries where paysafe card is available. Global reach: paysafe card has a wide global presence, making it accessible to people in many countries. While it might not be available in every corner of the world, it's definitely a popular option in many regions. Key regions: Europe: paysafe card is particularly popular in European countries, with a strong presence in the UK, Germany, France, and Spain. North America: the card is also widely available in the United States and Canada, offering a convenient payment solution for online shoppers. Asia: paysafe card has a growing market in Asia, with availability in countries like Japan, South Korea, and Singapore. Australia and New Zealand: these countries also have paysafe card availability, catering to the needs of local online consumers. Finding paysafe cards. Retail locations: to purchase a paysafe card, you can visit various retail outlets, including convenience stores, supermarkets, gas stations, and specialized electronic stores. The specific locations will vary depending on your country and region. Online retailers: in some cases, you might also be able to buy paysafe cards online. Check the official paysafe website or authorized online retailers for more information. Popular use cases. Online gaming: paysafe card is a popular choice for online gamers who want to purchase in-game items, subscriptions, or virtual currency. Online shopping: you can use paysafe card to make purchases on a wide range of online stores, from clothing and electronics to travel and entertainment. Bill payments: some online bill payment services accept paysafe card as a payment method, making it convenient for managing your finances. Advantages of using paysafe card. Security: as mentioned earlier, paysafe card offers enhanced security compared to traditional credit cards. Convenience: it's easy to use and can be purchased at numerous retail locations. Prepaid nature: you only spend the money you load onto the card, preventing overspending. Privacy: paysafe card helps protect your personal financial information. Disadvantages of using paysafe card. Limited availability: while paysafe card is widely available in many countries, it might not be an option in certain regions. Fees: some retailers or online merchants might charge fees for using paysafe card, so it's always a good idea to check the terms and conditions. Limited functionality: paysafe card is primarily designed for online transactions and may not be accepted for certain offline purchases or services. So, to recap, the paysafe card is a convenient and secure payment method that can be used in various countries around the world. It's a great option for online shopping, gaming, and bill payments. While it might not be available everywhere, it's definitely worth considering if you're looking for a reliable and hassle-free way to make online transactions. If you're interested in learning more about paysafe card or finding a retailer near you, check out the links in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech-related content. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.